Good morning to YouTube Shorts Philippines, my parallel universe. Today, let me show you this group of Lobelia Cardinalis inside this aquarium glass tank. This is my beta tank breeder way back. Now I didn't use it anymore, so I planted this Lobelia Cardinalis inside. Look at them, very healthy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. Look at them, very healthy. That's how I propagate Lobelia Cardinalis. You put some a little water on it that is immersed, but it's surrounded with water, right? That's the secret. Have a great day.